On Sunday the 17th of March 2024 marks the 37th birthday celebration of Arnold Kamujariwa, popularly known as DJ Fantan in Zimbabwe. DJ Fantan is not only a renowned dancehall chanter but also a record producer, executive, and DJ. To commemorate this special occasion, Sir Wicknel Chivhayo extended his congratulations to DJ Fantan. In a generous gesture, Sir Wicknel gifted DJ Fantan's mother a Toyota Aqua.
Multiple times vachingona makomborero nemaropa fadzo.
He went on to state that since Fantan has a wife, he sees nothing wrong with blessing his spouse with a Benz C-Class, which costs around $30,000. Wicknel also asserted that Fantan's mother deserves a Toyota Aqua since she is the one who gave birth to him, and also because she expressed her happiness last time when Wicknel gave Fantan a car posting on his Instagram account. He was also deeply moved by DJ Fantan's mom's emotional reaction upon receiving the GLA. The businessman shared a video capturing Fantan's mother's heartwarming reaction the day the DJ showed her the lavish car Wicknel had bought for him. Afterwards, Wicknel went on to wish Fantan a happy birthday. He advised Fantan's mother and wife to go and collect their cars at Enterprise Car Sales. This act of generosity not only honors DJ Fantan but also strengthens the bond within the community, reflecting the camaraderie and goodwill shared among Zimbabwean personalities. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe to Nyasha TV channel for more.
I just want to say, God bless you. I'm still saying my Ferrari with my vangu, Muriangu and everyone. Never face out. Levels levels are put out. But I don't know the quick say in return, but Maringa Kombore in the meantime. Thank you, Sawa.